Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all had a great week. I for sure did. We're gonna do a little bit of price analysis on Bitcoin. So I have here the 4-hour candles, and this chart still looks bullish. We're basically doing higher highs and higher lows. The only thing is that this is getting tight at the end. If we draw a trend line here and a trend line here, this is getting tight at the end, so it's basically a rising wedge, which is usually bearish, but honestly it could break either way. If it breaks on the upside, I expect this to go up parabolic again. Plus the market sentiments are very, very bullish still. The only thing I don't like that much is the volume. It's decreasing, so who knows what can happen here, but in general, it's still looking bullish. It might go sideways a little bit, but I expect this to break on the upside by probability. But of course, anything could happen. But in general, this still looks bullish because the price action is doing higher highs and higher lows. And that's what's most important. More important than volume or patterns or anything else is price action. Then we have here Bitcoin Cash versus Bitcoin. It doesn't look bullish or bearish. It looks neutral because it's been going sideways for quite some time here. I'm on the 4-hour candles. So it could break either way. It could go down or it could go up. The market sentiment for crypto is bullish, so I would expect this to go up, more probable than down. But you cannot really read anything when a chart is going sideways. But this is a very, very low level. So how I'm playing this, you probably know already. I'm just accumulating at these levels. I'm just buying whenever I have the opportunity. I buy a little bit more, I buy a little bit more. So I continue to add Bitcoin Cash to my portfolio. I expect this to, continue to go sideways. It might go down later on, but I don't think it's going to go down much more because here we had the very bottom here. I mean, it's already very, very low. I think this is the perfect level for accumulation. Even if it goes down a little bit more, I would be buying more. But when this breaks on the upside, this was the past, this high here was the past fractal. So when this breaks up, it's going to go much, much higher than the previous time. So I don't really care when it's going to do it. I would prefer this to continue to go sideways. So it's going to give me the opportunity to accumulate more and more and more. And then next time that this shoots up, it's going to go much higher than the previous time. So that's what I'm doing with Bitcoin Cash. But I don't want to anticipate that it's going to break up or break down. I have no idea. It's going sideways, so we don't know. But I think it's low enough to be accumulating this coin as much as possible. Then we have EOS. I'm reviewing the coins that I'm holding. So EOS looks very bullish as well. It's been uptrending for probably a month and a half now, almost 2 months since the very bottom here. So it's been going up, higher highs, higher lows, breakouts, and it continues to go up. So I just did today, probably 1 hour ago, I exchanged some Bitcoin for EOS to get more EOS because I've been wanting to get more EOS for the past week or so, and I could never do it because it was always unavailable on Shapeshift. And I don't want to use centralized exchanges anymore because I'm not really trading. I'm only buying and holding at this time. So I did this exchange. I exchanged 0.16 Bitcoin for EOS, but I'm still waiting, and this has been like this for at least 1 hour now, so still waiting for Bitcoin confirmations. And I wanted to show this on Shapeshift. It says here, please note the Ethereum and Bitcoin networks are currently experiencing significant congestion. Transactions might be delayed for hours. So this has been like this for several days, but now they added this other part here. It says also note the mining fees or the miner fees are have significantly increased due to the network congestion. All Shapeshift miner fees are listed on the about page. So if we go to the about page, we can see all the miner fees for every coin they have here on Shapeshift. So if we scroll down, we see the list here for all the coins. And if you look at Bitcoin, this is just crazy. Bitcoin Cash mining fees and Bitcoin mining fees. So for Bitcoin Cash is 0.0002, which is a fraction of a cent of a US dollar. And for Bitcoin miner fees is 0.0001, and this actually was higher yesterday. Yesterday it was 0.0015. Now it's a little bit lower, but still. So if we go here to Prib.com, let's see how much that is in US dollar. It's 0.001. It's 17 US dollars for any Bitcoin transaction that you want to do through Shapeshift. So it's crazy. And yeah, yesterday it was like $25 or $27 per transaction. So the fees have gone up way too much. And the more popular Bitcoin gets, the fees are gonna get worse and worse. So I'm really concerned about continuing to accumulate Bitcoin. I don't want to accumulate any more Bitcoin. I have enough in my cold storage. So every time I get any Bitcoin, I exchange it for EOS or Bitcoin Cash or any other coin that I'm interested in. But I'm afraid if I continue to accumulate Bitcoin, it'll come the point where I won't be able to transfer it or even exchange it. So that's the situation right now. The fees are going up like crazy for Bitcoin. So we need to find alternatives. I like Dash as well, and I think Dash is also at low levels to accumulate. But again, I could be wrong. I mean, it's been going sideways for such a long time, so it could really go either way. But but if we have in consideration the bullishness and the bullish sentiment on this market right now, I would favor more a bullish movement than not a bear movement. So guys, I think that's all I have for you today. I will update as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.